Here is how one simple system made me almost $5,000 trading Amazon calls. Let me show you exactly what we did and you'll see how easy it can be. So you see here on the higher time frame, we have this zone right here, major resistance. We can see how many times we resisted that level over the past couple weeks basically. We have, resistance here, 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 here. Like look at this. Very clean resistance, right? We can see that all happening. From there, we'll move into the lower time frame and see what we do once price breaks that resistance level. We're going to go to the 2-minute time frame. We're going to zoom in right to this level here. This was the day that we took this. On the 6th, you can see here the market opens with a strong bullish candle right over top of our resistance level. Price breaks over, comes back down, and retests. And when it retests right at this support level and VWAP. It puts in a big bottom wick, and from there it takes off. So once we see that retest of this 233.65 level and the retest of VWAP hold with a big wick, that's our sign to get in, and that's exactly what we did. So we got in long, stop loss real tight, just underneath VWAP. First target was here. We ended up holding these contracts all the way to the top where our runners hit almost 300%. And it can really be that simple, guys. We set our major 1-hour resistance levels, right? Major resistance, even back here, it was resistance, support, resistance, major resistance. We zoom in to an entry time frame, which we use the 2-minute right at the start of the day. We break over, we retest the zone, we retest VWAP, we put in a big bottom wick, we go long with tight risk, and look at that. That's, we took trims along the way, right? You can see we would have taken trims, let's just go like this, right here. We would have taken one all the way up here. We would have taken another one once we took out this high. I would have taken more into this resistance level. Took more once we broke this resistance level. And then our final runners hitting almost 300%. So again, guys, it's just support, resistance, break and retest. It's that simple. This was actually shown out as a possible play in our community. There's lots of times we put charts with possible plays, looking for these break and retests, just like we teach everyone in our community every day. So if you want to see more of these happen in live time, check out our Discord. The link will be in the description below, and you can come try us out on a free trial. Have a good day, guys.